Hey there, folks. I got a new knife for you. This is another one from Terrain 365. They call this the P38. This is a smaller knife. This is overall is 6.5 inches. It is a dual action knife, meaning, so it's a liner lock, although you might argue that's a frame lock because it's so robust, the titanium. So you can open it up with the thumb studs, unlock it with the liner, and it closes. But because it's dual action auto, this thing actually glows in the dark. This pearly looking thing button, and when you press it, it deploys it. You lock it, you feel a little bit resistance, locks it back up again. So the bandit was playing with this the other day. He locked it and then he deployed it manually, not with the auto. And then he was wondering, what's that button? And he presses it and it made that sound. Initially, I thought he was, Bandit's always making like crazy sounds. If you watch Wieners and Steels, he was the sound effect wiener. I thought it was him, but apparently when you deploy it manually, then you press the button, it makes that sound. I don't think it does anything to the knife. It functions still fine, but it is a nice auto that fires out. Let's look at the blade. So the blade, it's Terrain 365. So the blade is going to be that Terravantium, that super alloy blade that they make. It's made out of dendritic. It's made out of dendritic cobalt. So it's not magnetic. It's rust proof and corrosion proof, right? The blade is it's got like a what do you call it? A two-tone finish. So a bead blast right here and like a satin rub on the top. This is designed apparently by Michael Vagnino, who I met at Blade, and Patrick Ma. Patrick Ma made those, believe it's him. He's the one that designed those gigantic Medford-like knives that he was selling for nothing. Like gigantic. I have one. I did a review on one. I mean, it's tremendous. It's an extremely thick titanium, big blade, bigger than the Medfords. And you got him for like $250 somewhere. It was insane. So now he's designing knives with Terrain 365. Nice fella. So this is on washers. Again, it's a smaller blade, so it weighs 3.95 ounces. Carbon fiber on the handle and titanium. Titanium backspacer, titanium milled pocket clip, titanium bolster. Yeah. And it looks like it's got a steel insert also. Yep. I don't know if you guys can see that. So yeah, everything. You might even see the mechanism inside. Kinda. Maybe. So everything you expect from a modern folder, but this is a smaller package. I think my boy Brooklyn Tactical Designs, this will be right up his alley. What do you think, Chris? It's smaller. Might still be too girthy. Still too wide for him. And I guess because of the mechanism, right? But it fires out really well. It's just a bonus that it's a dual action. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I think I can even middle flick this. Let me close this. Yeah, really good action on this knife. But pretty nice. So if you guys are interested, you can get it right there. PVK Vegas. All right, guys. Peace.